Welcome to Savidge Kitchen from my living room. Today we're taking a look back at 2021. A lot happened this year. There were a lot of cocktails, there was some baking, a lot of broken eggs, and we passed a big milestone. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. So this is my thank you to you, my YouTube community. I am so grateful for everybody that tunes in. I love hearing about when you make the cocktail recipes that I come up with. I love when you try the baking and cooking recipes that I post on YouTube also. And I'm really excited to see where 2022 takes us. So let's take a look back, shall we? Welcome back to Savidge Kitchen. Today we are going to be making prickly pear margaritas, a smoked lavender old fashioned. Today we're making coffee, but we're making coffee sort of along the lines of how Long Islanders make iced tea. It's gonna be real boozy. Stir, stir, stir. I confess, they're not my thing. I'm not one of these girls that's like, ooh, Margarita Monday. No, as you guys know, I'm not the biggest margarita fan. If you come at me with that stuff in the plastic bottle that's shaped like a lime, no, it's not gonna work. I'm super excited because we are doing something completely different today from anything else we've done on Savidge Kitchen. We're gonna be baking. And if you happen to know me in my personal life, I can't bake. If you know me, you know I don't bake. Don't be scared. The bourbon told me it wants to be in the banana bread. Bourbon is a giver. All this lovely pork in this bourbon production. So you can tell this is a really dense, moist, and delicious banana bread. Why can't I crack eggs? There we go. 1. It's like the Count in Sesame Street. 2. I love eggnog, but I've only had store-bought eggnog. So this year, I thought it would be fun to try and make homemade eggnog. Oh, I can fix this. Oh. I think we're gonna go through a dozen eggs trying to get 4. Oh, don't shoot. So far, we've got 3 yolks, but 1 white. Oh, I have brilliant ideas. God, I didn't know eggnog was gonna be so traumatic. I love those warm, spicy fall flavors, but I wanted to keep this relatively simple. And then I'm gonna take some more fresh thyme, overlap 2 stems, so they form sort of a, I don't know, a bowl of sorts. Oh, it's so good. I've pulled in somebody from the street to help me taste things.
I don't feel like I'm drinking a bourbon drink. I feel like I'm drinking this delicious kind of after dinner dessert drink that complements these balls perfectly. So.
Success. Yeah. I like it. Oh my God. Okay. The bourbon balls really are. Are you keeping both of those? I think that's a win. Now for the fun part. It is cool. The final thing to consider for your charcuterie board is the vehicle, the cracker. This could be toast, this could be crackers, this could be your bare hands, no judgment. And I just picked up these artisan crisps, apricot, pistachio, and brandy. They seem bougie and fun. Let's try them out.
What if you use the bacon grease?
It's as if I gave birth to you. That's so good. god, this is so good. I love this drink. Woo! Damn, that's good. Ridiculous. Cheers, friends. 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 God, that is, oh my god, that's so good. Cheers, friends. Wine. Maybe we talk about wine in 2022. Wonder if I could have a YouTube channel just sitting drinking wine. Like, not as a sommelier, not as somebody giving expert advice, just sitting and drinking wine. And maybe eating cheese. I think that would be kind of amazing. I don't know if anybody would watch, but I'd enjoy the hell out of it.